At the Standards Forum of XPONENTIAL Europe, we show you what's next in autonomous technology. Simple, clear ideas that shape the future.
I'm representing EuroK, which is a European Standard Development Organization, where we are developing standards for UAS. As an SDO, as a Standard Development Organization, we are always looking for feedbacks from the members, from the industry. XPONENTIAL Forum helped me to get this feedback in order for us to improve and to look forward in order to support the industry in their development for UAS standardization. What we are looking for here is to have very concrete action on how we can improve and how we can support the industry in order to push further the UAS operations in Europe.